back to my channel. My name is Amal, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit that I made. So as all of you guys know, the Easter furniture came, but I didn't really get a chance to make a build with it. I really wanted to, so in this video I'm going to show you guys a build. So let's start. Also, the credit goes to Mega Neon Sandwich. I got inspired by that channel. Okay, so my login streak is at 111. I am really happy about that. Okay, so what happens is I use very pastel colors with this house. I didn't really use any darker colors like red or like a bright brown or bright brown what orange or any like bright colors. I just use very pastel colors. Okay, so here we have a nice beanbag to sit on. This is like a lounge area. We have a couch, and I use the mirrors because it really makes the place look a lot more bigger, and I really like it about that. We have this little DIY table I made out of bricks. And by the way, guys, these shelves are chopping boards that I used. Okay, here, when you go, there's like this little entrance where your pet can sleep or eat. I mean, not sleep, eat or like drink water. Then we have a floating unicorn because why not? Everyone likes floating unicorns, right? Then we also have a bunny pet bed. It's like really cute. So I use this as like a decoration because I think it looks really pretty. Here we have a DIY like bed. I made it out of bricks, as also you guys can see, with a floating unicorn because why not? It's like this is supposed to look like a closet, like a mini one. And here is another pet bed because yeah. Then we have the bunny bed. Everyone loves it. These are so cute, and I just love the little ears. I use some windows and I use these really dark colors. If you guys want to know, let me show you which one I use. I use this one. Yeah, I hope you guys can see. Then I use this lamp because you need to brighten up some things. In here, I really, as I told before, you guys cannot see any like very dark colors. Yeah, I'm pretty sure of that. Every color is very light and pastel. Oh, one more thing I forgot. I can't believe it. Can you see the roof, guys? This roof. These are ramps that I used throughout the walls. So to make it, give it like a definition that the walls look like that. Also, guys, I'll explain that later. Look at the chandelier. I used a donut truck. Then I put up the triple light thingies and what you call it. Let me check. The triple hanging lights. Then I used a large desk, so it looks really pretty, and a chandelier. So these are ramps, by the way. They're not the big ones. These are just the small ones. Just to tell you guys, because some people confuse the big ones from the small ones, and the work is just they're not the same. Also, here we have the bathroom, and I use the what do you call it? The shelf. I use the chopping. Oh, why am I stuck? We use the chopping boards, and I put some books and some candles, the plants on it, because I think the chopping boards make really good like shelves and stuff. I use the window again. I made this DIY sink type thingy. I used 2 bricks, then I put one, and then I put the pet bowl and the wooden food bowl. Then we have a mirror. Then I put some bamboo plants because why not? Then I have a nice like window here. And here, guys, let me show you guys how I did it. What I did was I used the 3 vanity mirrors. I put them. There's a rug beside them. Then I covered them with the rug, the purple rug. Then I put it on top of them. I hope what I'm saying makes sense. Then I put it on top of them, so it's like that. Okay. Right now I cannot. I just mess it up. Okay, never mind. So guys, I did fix it. By the way, this is a rug, and I used the vanity winners. I'm pretty sure they're like my favorite ones, and it's daytime, so you guys can see better. So it's time for the kitchen now. Okay, so the kitchen, I went very simple and pastel with it. I don't know why. I just really like the theme. It's just really pretty. Like I used blue, purple, and pink. And guys, look inside the oven. You guys can't even see. Let me just zoom in a little. Look, guys, there's bread inside the oven. I'm baking bread, and I like give it the look that it feels so that it's like, what do you call it? The tea kettle is on top of the stove, and I have this oven hood. Why do I have to climb the counters always? I have the cabinets on the walls. I have this coffee cup, mug rack, and what do you call it? Okay. We have the candles right here. I have the microwave to make it as look realistic as possible. I didn't use the DIY sink here. I know I just like the normal sink better in the kitchen. I think it looks so nicer. We have a floating unicorn. I mean, okay, this one is not floating. We have this fridge because I love this one. It's like one of my favorites. I really like it. So that's for my video. Hope you liked it. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye.